What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys yet another video on the new RANE 72 2-channel Serato DJ scratch mixer. So basically we're doing another video here so that way we can break down all of the different effects that come with the RANE 72. They have pad effects, they also have fader effects, there's touch effects, there's onboard flex effects, and then you have all of your Serato DJ effects as well, and you can use them in many different combinations for many different situations that you may want to use effects for while you're playing at your gigs or in your DJ sets. So let's head on over to the bench and let's see exactly what we got with all the different effects that are inherent within the RANE 72. Alright, so to start us off with the effects, first effects I'm going to explain to you guys is the pad effects. They're located right underneath the roll procedure, so once you hit roll twice, you come up to pad effects. And pad effects are similar to the Pioneer DJ effects that you guys find on their flagship mixers. They have V-break, backspin, gate, and echo. And when you're using these in the pads, those are the top four are the actual different effect that you can select, and the bottom four are the parameter of the effect that you're trying to select. So again, the first pad is V-break, next one is backspin, then it's gate, and then it's echo, and these are your different sizes for that different effect that you want to use. 1 bar, half bar, etc. So we'll give you a quick demonstration of the V-break.
Swiss, they ain't ready for the smoke though.
After that, we also have your backspin.
Still got niggas that be playing Popo. Probably got a picture of these photos. I was young for the builder when she was my photos. For what you?
After that, we have the gate effect.
Like 19 now, I still never had like 19 down. I had to bring the white feet down. Bunch of crack kept around just to wipe the beat down. Why drink rolls when they got ace? Leaky was with me the other day.
Next up, we have the echo.
Panaces, free watcher. Ushes with the frozen up faces. They got them Lord, close up the cases. Shit, it's outrageous. Run up in the diligence. Yeah, we got pound.
And as you can see, when you use these effects, they also have a roll underneath them, so the track keeps playing even when you have used one of these different effects that you see here. Next, we have your fader effects, and basically that's hidden underneath the sampler pad function. And when you hit that twice, you'll come to your fader effects, and the fader effects show up on the screen as different fader movements that's going to happen while the track is playing. So you have many different effects that you can play around with, and you can even move the record back and forth yourself in order to simulate some style of scratching without you actually using your own fader.
Let's put the drug dealers raises. Shit, I pick it up. The Lord never says this, so we stuck what we stuck. What was fucking with that? I can't shut the stop. I take trips and get the place. Play back, relax. Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Next up, we have your touch effects. And we hit the button here, and now you can see you have your touch effect area. It's almost like a chord chaos pad where you can change the filter and the echo to the track that you have playing.
Gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Cool coherence. Sweet like seats. Trip trying to stare it. Baby, this is that. That's not no commission. Could be a blind man. The vision. Just to blow the ism. Part of me was out in the coupe mill showing. Getting head in the whip and never listen. Never lacking because I keep that fully loaded with them.
You can also go into the effect that you want by clicking on the effect, and then you can hold down this little knob here for bank A, and you'll see the flex effect light blinking. That means you can change your flex effect, so we can change these touch effects to hold effect, duck echo, reverb, filter, gate, flanger, delay, ping pong, beat breaker. So there's a whole lot that you can do here with using the internal flex effects. So next up, we have your Serato DJ effects, and they're annotated by FX1, 2, and 3, FX1, 2, and 3 for Bank A and Bank B, and this is all within Serato DJ. So in order to get back to those, we have to go to your effects section by hitting the effects button here on the screen, and then you're able to go into your different effects by clicking on them or touching on them with your finger, and then you can go to them and you can turn up or down that parameter as you see fit. And in order to turn them on, you have to actually press the button, and in order to enact them on your track that you're playing, you have to use the paddle here.
Shit, you know I gotta shout the bros and purple. East side, my nigga green is like a blow magician. Shit, now light it up and let it hit the speed on this bitch's head.
And as you can see, the effects are all post-fader effects, so they'll always keep going and keep tapering off until the end. And you can easily change the different effect that you have here. So it's 3 on each side within Serato DJ. You have lots of effects to choose from. So when we go to it, we can press the bank button. Then you'll see it blinking. You have combo, fade echo, tape echo, combo tape echo, twist echo, looper, pitch looper, shuffler, time stretch, time freeze, spiral echo up, spiral echo down, resonance LPF auto, HPF auto, combo auto filter, spiral flanger, pitch delay, chip tunes, short circuit, shifter lofi, side delay, crush echo, particle delay, noise sweep, noise synth, shepherd filter, UFO, space verb lift, space verb drop, filter echo, filter dub echo, filter gate, bass ducker, noise pulse. And there's a lot of different echoes and different other effects that you have within Serato DJ. They're all here right at your fingertips for you to choose whatever you want to use at that given time. You can also change the effect beats. As you can see at the top, you can change if you have 1 beat, 2 beats, half beat, quarter beat, 8 beat. You can do that for both your Serato DJ effects and for your internal effects as well. And then you can also adjust what different channels those effects enact upon by using these panels. So right now we have deck 1 only being affected by this one panel, but we can change that to deck 2 and sampler, and then we can change this one to have deck 1, 2 and sampler as well. When we're ready to make the final choice on how we want these paddles to work, we can press OK, and then we're back to our main effects screen, and you can annotate that at the top by saying 1, 2 and S is activated by both of your panels here. Next, we have your flex effects, which are onboard effects to the mixer. You can use these no matter if you're plugged into Serato DJ or not, and these work very, very well. Again, they work very similar to the others. You can click on the actual effect, so that way you can turn it up and down using the Bank A button, or you can use your depth knob as well. It depends on which one you want to use at the time. So that way you can change your Serato DJ effects at the same time that you're changing your onboard effects if you're using this knob and this knob at the same time. In order to change the effect, again, you click on your Bank A button or Bank B if you're on the B side, and you can go between delay, ping pong, beat breaker, flanger, gate, phaser, filter, reverb, duck echo, hold echo, and echo. And in some of these effects, you can actually see here that you can change the depth, you can change the HP cutoff, you can change the feedback. So depending on what different effect you have here, you'll get a different set of options. So that way you can make the effects sound exactly how you want them to. So that's about it for the effects section within the RANE 72. As you can see, in order to use the internal flex effects or the Serato DJ effects, we're using these paddle style knobs. They feel really good. They're really robust. They're definitely going to last you a long time. They're spring loaded when you have them pointing down, and you can also flip them up permanently when they're up. You can see that they have an indicator LED on them, so you can tell when they're enacted or not. You can also turn them around 180 degrees if you don't like the way that they're positioned now, but they work very, very well. They feel like they're going to last a long time again, and they're a really cool way in order to enact effects upon your track, especially when you're a scratch DJ or someone who's doing some turntablist style tricks and performances. So for more on the full review, make sure you guys check that out. We're going to have that at the link in the bottom of this video description. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like videos like this one, and as always, thanks for watching.